Welcome to Let's Play Solitaire, and thanks for watching. Today we're going to tackle a random game and hopefully maybe learn a trick or two. Let's go ahead and get started here. Alright, first things first, I like to go for these columns. I can move this ace right here, and looks like this 2 could be moved. This 2, well, don't have to be cautious now. Sometimes these things can hold you up, but we got the ace of spades right here, so that's going to help. We can play this 2 and this 3 of spades up top. Good news is this 5 of diamonds can be moved too. We're going to hold off on that just in case there's something weird here. Probably won't be, but just in case. So there's a black queen in the front. That means if we get a red king, we could play that. Again, we can play this 5 and 7. We're going to hold off on that, save it as insurance. We're looking for a red king, I believe, and we found one, I believe, too. Yeah. We're going to come back to that. We're going to play this card here, this 4. Now we can play either 3. There's 2 3s here. So the other option was to play a 3 of hearts. Let's see how that goes. Ace of clubs. Ace of hearts. I almost think that is the better move. Yeah, because then we can play the 3 of diamonds anyway and play the 2 of clubs. So good news is we've opened up a spot for multiple kings, actually. We should be in decent shape. Our our challenge is going to be getting these 3 columns here undone, and of course this last column too. So the good news is we can play this up top. Now, if you see this 3 of clubs right here, if there was like a red 4 down below one of these columns, I would strongly advise against even playing that because this could jam you. But because we can move this up to the foundation pile right here, we're in good shape. So let's go back. And again, we're going to need a red king. And I missed a move. Let me go back here. 8, jack, 5. Oh, the 5 was our first move, right? Okay. And we want to get this red king, which is 2 cards. There's 2 cards that have to move in front of it. We only moved the 1 red 5. Let's go back here. We need to move 2 cards in front of that red king to make it appear on the front. So here's 1 card, and there's 2 cards right there. And then, of course, this doesn't count as a card. So next time around, we will be able to play this king. And hopefully we can figure some out here. So let's go back. This queen is now going to be our insurance. You'll see why in a minute. And that'll be very good for us. So we can play this king, we can play this queen. And then again, nothing. Oh, we can play this jack right here, I believe. Or should we? I think there was a jack in the front of the draw pile. Let's take a look here. It was a red jack, right? Okay. I think the blackjack's going to be okay to play. If there was a blackjack early in the draw pile, it might not be a very smart move. So let's see how this plays out here. Going to click through and see if there's a way to get this 10. There's not. We got to move 2 cards. We want to play this 10 of hearts at some point. We're going to have to move 2 cards to get to it, though. And so let's see here. Now, what makes it tricky here is we want to play this king. So I believe what we're going to do is we're going to play the queen, and then we're going to let this king drop. And then, of course, we'll get the jack as well in that time around. And I think we're going to just play the red jack. Well, again, this is the tricky part here. I think the other red jack is more valuable because it's in the front of the draw pile. But we also want to bring down this 10, so let's see how this plays out. There's 2 10s there, let's see. Let's go back. Okay. We're going to play this king later. And then the question is, do we play the jack now or later? I think we're going to play this jack. Yeah, we're going to play this jack and see how it goes. So we can play the 10. The reason we're playing this 10 is we really want to get to this column right here and see what's under it. So that's going to be our deviation. And we still have a... Well, we need a red 10 anyway. There's a 9 right there. We can move this 8. We want to open up, you know, like I said earlier, these 3 columns. That's good. We can move it here. We're going to be able to play the king because there is this 5 we've been saving. We're going to just play it right now. So there's the 8 of clubs we can play. Open up that column. And that's it for there. Let's see what else we can manufacture here. 7's a good card because there's a 6 of spades right here. Yeah, that's a real good card. You can play that. And making some progress. There's the 9 we can play. Can't play the 8 yet. Let's see here. This is a card we want to not play. We're probably going to want to play this 9 of clubs first. The good news is we have a 4th slot for the king. I think we can play the 10 of diamonds here. And we'll play this 6. If I played some cards I shouldn't have, I'll undo it and go back there. Oh, wrong 9, wrong 9, wrong 9. 9 of clubs, more valuable, I believe. Here we go. 2 of hearts, 3 of hearts. Oh yeah, definitely more valuable. 4 of spades. Now we can play clubs up to the foundation pile. 5 and 6. And, oh, we got to figure out a way to move 7. Did we pull down too many 6s? Well, we'll see in a minute. Let's focus on this right here. We can play the 5 of spades, so we're going to only play this king. I think that's actually our only move anyway. Well, this 5 of spades will drop next time around, and the queen will drop too. So we're going to play this queen first, and then we'll play the 7. And then I think we need to get the blackjack, but I think a blackjack is in here. My guess is it's in one of these two. Right here. The good news is we have this 5 we can play. The bad news is we got to play this 4, I believe, or find a 4 of diamonds. I don't see the 4 of diamonds in there, so we're going to have to go back and figure something out. We need to get, I think this 4 needs to be up there. Or does it? There's no 5 of hearts, is there? No, it doesn't. I don't think it does. Let me think. Use my brain here. I believe we do want to get the 7 of spades up. What we'll need to do is move that 5 of diamonds, I believe, that's blocking us. So we're going to undo. Let's see where that 5 of diamonds came from and see if we can't not have it in our mix. May not be obtainable here. Oh boy. Okay, the 5 of diamonds came from here, so there's no way that can be done. So that move doesn't work. So we get a little bit of a challenge here. Move the king. There's 8. Yeah, we're going to have to see if we can figure out a different route here. So 7 and 6. Yeah, let's see what else we can figure out here. There's a 10. 6 of diamonds goes right here. I'll play the 8, 9. And just trying to go to... Oh, that's... We're not going to play this 9. We're going to play this other 8 here. We'll play the 7. We'll see if we can get that angle. So the 7 we play, and the 8 we need to be able to play. Okay. We've got the 8. We'll be able to play it. I'll explain. There's this 5 of spades. That'll go under the 6. This 8 will play next. What we're going to do is move this 5 here. Right here, sorry. Right under this 6 of spades. We'll play just the king. And what that'll do is they'll pull this 5 of spades. And then the next time around, to pull the 8 of diamonds. So let's go through again. And we pull the 5 of spades. Next time around, we pull the 8 of diamonds. And this time, we keep our fingers crossed. Something's good is under the 7, maybe, maybe not. A queen. Okay, that's a very good card, because that means we can bring down this 4 and the jack. So there we go. We'll play that right there. Oh, that's good. We can play this jack. This jack's very valuable, because it also allows us to bring this 10 of spades, open up that column there. And, yeah, we'll see here. We want to bring this 4 down, I believe. Oh, that's a good card, the 10 of hearts. Okay. Now let's keep our fingers crossed. I can't remember what was under here, but I think it's a card we can play. I think. Oh, 2 of hearts, yes. We can play that. We can play the 3 of hearts, 4 hearts. Now we can play the 4 spades, and we have solved the puzzle. So, got it done. Hopefully I was able to teach you a trick or two. And as always, I am going to be signing out here. I just want to remind you that if you need more tips in addition to this, I would highly recommend checking out Solitaire Complete Tip Guide if you have not already, as well as there is a playlist of Solitaire tips on this channel as well. Anyway, thank you for watching, and good luck.